Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Delia and I would highly appreciate if you guys click that subscribe button and joined my family. So today I'm going to be doing a quick little tutorial, and yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I actually like how it came out. My skin looks flawless, but that's only on camera. So today I am going to be featuring the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I love it. This is actually my first time using it, so I'm very excited to show you guys. I know it's already like been out for a while, but I finally got my hands on it, so thank you so much. All the products will be listed down below in the description box with links to everybody's websites and accounts if I use any products from a small business. So if you guys want to see how I got this cute little natural glam, I want to say it is, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the Master Prime. I already have my brows done. This is my most favorite primer. It actually does blur out my skin, so I highly recommend this one. I just put a little bit all over my face and then pat it in. We're going in with the Shape Tape, and this is what I use as an eye primer because I can't find any good eye primer. So if you guys know a good one, then let me know because I'm wasting my Shape Tape on my eyes. Today's palette is going to be the Norvina palette, and I'm going to take the shade Incense with a big fluffy brush. I got this brush from Five Below. If you guys have not seen my Five Below haul, it was before this video. Go check it out because I do use the brushes that I got. Yeah, I had to speed it up for a little bit, but I'm going to be putting this all over my crease and up a little bit. We're going to take the shade Passion with a very precise blending crease brush, and we're going to put that in the outer V, basically. Yeah, outer V. Going back with that fluffy brush, we're going to take the shade Eccentric, and we're going to use that to kind of like blend out and give that faded effect. And then here we're going to cut the crease. I'm using the brush that came with the set. I forgot the name of it, but it's really good for cutting your crease. Taking the fluffy shadow brush and the shade Rose Gold, we're going to put this on our lid where we cut our crease. With that crease brush, we're just going to blend out a little bit more. With that brush that I used to cut my crease, we're going to take this shade and we're going to apply this shadow to the inner corner and on the brow bone. Today's lashes are in the style Zen AF from Flawless Lashes SD. Go check them out. Poppin'. Taking my beauty blender and my Tarte Shape Tape foundation, I'm going to be putting this on my face, obviously. And okay, I did not realize that it was going to be so bright. I've been using this foundation like off and on, and I'm starting to realize that I don't like it because it's not my shade. Like, I literally look like a ghost. for concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now, the concealer is good for me, but that foundation ain't. To set where I conceal, I'm going to be using the Mercier translucent powder. And you guys, I am shook. I was sent this from Mercier. This is my first time actually using it. I know it's been on the market for a while, but I was never able to get my hands on it. And oh my god, you guys, my under eye did not crease at all. My forehead did not crease. My nose did not crease. Oh my god, you guys, it is amazing. Taking my best friend, the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I'm going to be using this to kind of just bronze my face. Your girl doesn't know how to contour, so that's why it looks super harsh. But I just got a new contour palette that I'm so excited to be reviewing for you guys, so be on the lookout for that. Then I went and I took this fluffy brush to kind of like blend it out. This is the Ciate watermelon scented setting powder. I used this to set my entire face, and oh my god, it smells just like watermelon, you guys. I'm going to be taking this big old brush and I'm going to set that all over my face. Taking my highlight from Ofra x Madison Miller in the shade MoonDance and my highlighting brush from the AOA Studio. I'm just going to be blinding you guys real quick because this highlighter is amazing. I'm going to be taking the gloss blush from Lady G. You guys go follow her on Instagram, support, get you some really cute lashes, some really cute lip gloss. Oh my god, you guys, this lip gloss is so moisturizing. My lips feel so smooth and good when I put this on. It's not sticky, and this gloss is like hella cute. So go follow her and go check out her website, support, let her know that Delia sent you. So this is the final look. It's very cute, very simple. I want to call it a natural glam because I feel like I didn't do too much and it's very like natural looking, if that makes sense. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.